Things that start with letter G. G is for girl. G is for grapes. G is for gift. Wow! G is for giraffe. G is for gloves. G is for goose. G is for goat. G is for glue. G is for gorilla. G is for gate. G is for glasses.